Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the HP 17.3-inch FHD Business laptop, a machine that arrives with a rather unique configuration right out of the box, or perhaps more accurately, after a significant upgrade. The original seal is opened specifically to bump up the memory and storage, and they've gone big here. We're talking about a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a lightning-fast 2 terabyte PCIe SSD. For anyone who juggles countless browser tabs, runs multiple applications simultaneously, or works with large files like video projects or extensive photo libraries, that 32 gigabytes of RAM is a game changer for smooth multitasking. And the 2 terabytes SSD means you have vast amounts of space for all your data, plus you get incredibly fast boot times and quick access to your files. Powering this laptop is the 12th generation Intel Core i3-1215U processor. Now, an i3 might sound modest, but this is a modern 12th gen chip with 6 cores and 8 threads, capable of boosting up to 4.4 GHz. Intel's 12th gen architecture is designed to distribute performance efficiently, making this i3 quite capable for everyday tasks, productivity suites, and even some more demanding workloads when paired with that huge amount of RAM. The description even notes it can beat the performance of an older generation i5. Graphics are handled by the integrated Intel UHD graphics. While not a dedicated gaming GPU, it's perfectly capable of handling smooth 4K video streaming and is sufficient for casual gaming or graphical tasks that aren't overly intensive. The display is a generous 17.3 inches with a full HD resolution and IPS technology, offering wide 178-degree viewing angles and a vibrant picture. This large screen size is excellent for productivity, watching movies, or just having more space to work with. For video calls and online meetings, it includes an HP True Vision 720p HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphones. Connectivity includes essential ports like Type-C and HDMI, and it features a full numpad on the keyboard, which is a must-have for many business and productivity users. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home in S mode. The description provides clear instructions on how to easily switch out of S mode to the standard Windows 11 Home experience if you need to install applications from outside the Microsoft Store. This laptop is positioned as suitable for a wide range of users, from students and home users to professionals and small businesses, ready for online classes, remote learning, and Zoom calls. It also mentions coming with GM accessories, adding a little extra value to the package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.